Can we do a video?
Nah, why would we?
Why not? It's been a while.
Been more than a while.
Look, we've got a newbie. Say hello.
Hello, camera.
This is Ronnie. Sam Wheel. Have you got anything to say?
It's been a while, because useless man here hasn't been recording. I've told him to, saying you're all missing it, but he hasn't. Especially my dad, he's been missing them.
Andrew Clark, I am so sorry. But we've been a bit busy. Haven't we, Rick?
Very.
Very.
Very busy. And it's not long up yet, as we can see.
They've probably missed a full van, I think.
Which one?
I can't remember.
I don't know. No, Ellen's were last.
Oh, nearly a full van. Yeah, this one, we've not filmed out on this one. It's about not even a week away from finishing. Look at that. We're going to the side door. Bulkhead. A nice little herringbone design on the bulkhead. An L-shaped seating. Little kitchen. Big fridge, tall boy cupboards. Shower with the roll door as always. Reese, congratulations. It's very pretty, isn't it? So we're about a week away, maybe just over. Got to bang the wheels on, finish the electrics and finish the plumbing. But it's nice as that one, isn't it?
Yeah, I like that one. Oh, you ladies in Wittering about this casino?
I didn't know you were recording, to be honest.
Yeah, we're always
I
recording.
can see myself. All right, on the airline. Let's sign up.
So Regan, aka Ronnie, aka Nobber, is a friend of this one's, but he's joined us about 3-4 weeks ago, and he's been you've been a chippy all your life, haven't you?
Not all my life.
What did you do? What did you do when you left school? Introduce yourself.
Scam people.
Hi, I'm Regan. It's like a dating profile. I played football when I left school, and now I'm a wood monkey.
Wood Monkey Junior.
Got a long way to go yet, hasn't it?
Yeah. This is another L4 van for Martin and Louise, this one. Ollie's been in and done like a wrap on it, which is pretty cool. So Regan will have had this cladded by the end of the day. Fully cladded, all cabled, all ready to start building furniture as of next week, I reckon. What else are we on with? It's Saturday, by the way. And this is our weekend van, isn't it, Sam?
Yeah, we're working every weekend of his life now.
Yeah. So
Dedicated.
this is an L3. Well, to be fair, when was the last time we had a day off? We're having day off tomorrow. Oh, you're not having day off tomorrow. We are. I'm going to the show. So this sounded, and we put the floor in last weekend. This was brought to us really clean, wasn't it? And we can't be thankful enough for that, because it saves us some time. And customers already put some single seats in the front there, which will be getting reupholstered. So the plan for today is hopefully get all this cable. They've just marked up the cables need to go where. We'll get all this cabled up today. Sam's working on the insulation. We cannot insulate the side door because it's going in for bodywork. It's got a big dint there, so we can't do anything with that side door. Rick is working on the battening for that. Oh, well, he says he's working at the battening, he just probably on there looking at a new car or something. Shall we open up? Because we've got more to show you out here. Look at the beast. We've got big plans for this car. Big plans. This is a chap from Dundee. We've already done the first. You'll have seen before. We've already done the first part of the build on that. That's in as of Monday for all the furniture doing. This is next in once the first van I've shown you is out. That's a 23 plate. And this is one that we're working on at the moment. It's locked. Of course, it's locked. Yeah, so this is the one that we're working on during the week at the moment. Me and Sam are on this one. We started this a week and a half ago, I think. No, about a week ago. Getting flooring, fully insulated, cabled, carpeted. 70% of the cladding done. Just waiting on the windows arriving, so we can't go any further up with the cladding at that side. Ceiling on, and again, straight onto furniture next. Well, it'll be the middle of next week. We'll be onto furniture. So between the four of us and Jade, obviously, she's been in quite a lot recently. Saturday, so she's at home with kids. But at the moment, we're absolutely flying through them, which we have to because we've got another 2 sprinters, full builds. We've got my sprinter to finish. That's halfway through. That's at the paint shop at the moment. And we've got a sprinter coming Tuesday, but that's not due to start for a while. We've got another 23 boxer to do. And then another sprinter, which is another 22 plate sprinter, which is coming at the same, coming from the same place. The other one, but them 2 are not due to start until the summer, but they're bringing them up anyway. So just in case we get through it a bit quicker, because we're absolutely flying at the moment. Oh, also at the paint shop, we've got a Mark 6 Transit, which again, we did like a first part of the build, and then he's asked us to finish it off. We've been doing that on weekends, and that's in the paint shop for this weekend and next weekend, I think. So that's why we're straight on to this one. But that Mark 6 Transit, it's only got 30,000 miles on it. It's for a friend of mine, and it's actually looking beautiful. What are you scoffing?
Nothing.
Well, show us round what we've done, Sam, on this time lapse.
This is just a time lapse.
Well,
So it's going to be like...
No, that were down there.
This was time lapse, so we're going to be like... Cables. Installation. Sound deadening. And Old Blood's just having me doing these.
Old blood.
Old blood. Old blood.
What size bed are we doing?
4 foot. 4 feet. 1250 I've done it.
I love how...
No, that's not 12 feet, 4 foot before you start. You know what I mean? But
Why do we do it a little bit bigger?
all will become crystal clear in the future. Make sure you keep watching. You're on the answer now.
He's getting good at this, isn't he? He's getting good.
No point telling him now.
That one good, keeping them hooked.
Hey, up, phone's ringing.
That's my drug dealer.
Do you know what's really annoying, Sam? How easy he makes this look. Like, I were like cursing doing it.
He's been doing it 90 years.
He's been doing it how long?
90 years.
Anyway, Ronnie,
He's like running pickering.
what have you been doing?
What have I been doing?
Yeah, what's your job today?
I'm on with my van.
Come on then, show us what you've done.
That's half of it.
What monkey junior?
Making a lovely frame to act as a border for this to fix to.
See, these are a new style window. You haven't even seen the old style window, have you? But they're a new style window. So we didn't used to put the frames round on the inside. We used to just use packers because the blind. This used to come off, and they used to screw into the actual metal frame of the window. However, now you've got to put them in the corners. So we've made this carpeted frame to go around, and Ronnie's just on with the other side now. So once that's done, next job.
Finish the cladding.
Yeah, I'll even put you on time lapse for doing that.
Oh yeah.
So you can look at his little bottom. Hey, you two.
Hello.
Who's today's video sponsor?
Howden's Insurance Company.
And what do they do?
Insurance.
For?
Vans. Vans and super modified cars.
Yes.
Yeah. He knows. He's got super
Absolutely.
car.
Look, we try and we're trying to make it really good. But them two, just bloody idiots. So, Howden's Insurance. Modified vans, modified cars. Unbelievable. My personal cars, all by them. Personal vans, all by them. All of our customers use Howden's Insurance, and the prices are unbelievable. But the main thing is, everything that you put into a van, whether it be a self-build, professional conversion, everything is covered. Everything is covered from day one. We've got a discount code here for you to use. If you mention AVC campers, then you'll get some extra discount on top of the already brilliant prices. It's another day. James is in, doing the flooring. Morning, James.
Morning. That's
Not
all.
first for flooring. First flooring. Hey, I tell you what, I saw the job that you did on Stephen Lindsay's house.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Nice.
I saw the job that you did on my house. Oh no, I haven't seen that yet, have I, James?
Yeah, you have.
Well, no, that's the
your
other
house,
house,
the
not
other
my house.
We'll get to that.
one day.
Eventually.
Oh, this is going to look stunning. Oh, we're herringboning it back as well.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going
Beautiful.
to try and match that front herringbone design.
All the way through.
So I've got to try and find centre because he's been anal about saying he wants it all centre. So I'm going to centre it.
5% in it.
I'm all in, apparently. Nice.
I've heard that before.
Half of 140.
Morning, Ronnie.
Morning.
Morning, James.
Money.
Windows are in on this one, the other L4. Ronnie will finish the cladding on that today, and then we're onto the ceiling. Weekend van. Got it all battened, all cabled. Sam came in yesterday, did all these, run the DC to DC cable and D plus cable. It's time to get this one out and get the weekday vanny. Hello.
What are you saying?
I said hello.
Oh.
Is that the table?
This is the Lagoon table, which is rather large.
It is larger than usual.
It is, but customer's always right, you know.
Oh, and again, we say it before, we'll say it again. Benefit of bespoke, innit?
Alright, one way.
What have we got here then? We've got a chopping board, a flip up.
And
Oh, forgot about that undermounted sink, isn't it?
yeah, it is.
Which I think is going to be the new norm.
Well, we'll try. See.
What are you doing, Blurred?
Eating my pulled pork. Busy man.
Oh, James has done the garage.
I can't bloody get him through that fucking door.
What's your language, James? You're on camera, love.
Hello.
So James has done all this back with the border and then the herringbone. The new colour. Beautiful. Just think, oh, sorry. I think it just goes a lot nicer. Oh, James has put the border around in this part. James, show him the shower tray.
Just working on the shower tray at the moment.
Well, when we say a shower tray, it's not a shower tray, is it?
No, it's out tray.
It's a wet room.
It's a wet room floor. I'm just masticking all the edges up to make sure she don't leak.
Beautiful. I think I'm going to be on this tomorrow. Rick's off tomorrow. So I'm going to finish the electrics tomorrow on here. And we're literally bed. Sam's got a bit of plumbing to do. Wheels on. And then she's off. Hi, Poppet.
I love.
Not you. Ronnie's finished this cladding off. Oh, I'm just about to go and pick up the material for the ceiling. And me and Sam have been messing around with cars this morning, to be fair. Short and sweet, but that's it for today.
Bye, guys. See you later.
Bye-bye.
What? It's like special needs students, isn't it?
Oh, it is funny.
You're the head of it.
Sorry for the lack of videos recently. Like I said at the start, it's just been mental. So I just thought we'd do a quick update video. But we'll try and film a little bit more over the next couple of weeks. We will, won't we?
We'll forget.
Oh, I don't think we've told you.
What?
Well, no, not you.
All right, okay. Do I know?
The viewers. Well, you do know. Bank Conversion Company of the Year.
No, well, finally.
Finalists. Top 4. Right. We'll try and keep the camera going over the next few weeks and get you one out in the next couple of weeks. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, go on.
No.
We need a Beechwood video, don't we?
No, don't be bollocks, man. Nobody wants to see Beechwood video.
Yeah. Drop in the comments if you want to see a Rick's rant on Beechwood's channel.
There's not enough expletives. Right, bugger off.
On that note, we need to work. Ta-ta.
Make sure you say AVC for a discount.